Just checking in, guys. So today, we bringing you a quick little video, and we're gonna be showing you how you find out what size driven gear you need for your speedometer cable to work, so you can get the right odometer reading on your dash. Now, I did look on the forums, and somebody else using a TH400 in the G body. They went with the 39, 15 two drive and driven gears. I'm gonna snatch off my rear tail housing off of the Turbo 400. I'm gonna get a count on my drive gear, and I'm gonna see what I need to order to get my speedometer working and close that porthole up on the back of the transmission, which is right there. So, hope y'all enjoy the video. Hope I can help somebody out. Next, we're gonna be installing our kick down cable right there for that solenoid. You know, just trying to get everything real ready. Y'all see me up in there. How y'all doing today? You hear me? So, like, comment, share, subscribe, guys. Let's get it. It's random. Let's do it the right way. I'm gonna take this out. We're gonna separate our transmission from our cross member, jack up a little bit on it. Now that I have the bolt out of the transmission mount, I need to take the transmission mount from off of the transmission. Okay, motor mount is loose. I'm gonna go up with my jack a little. Okay, now we got our motor mount out of there, guys. I'm gonna let the engine down some, the transmission. Okay, next we're gonna remove this here housing, y'all, and some 14mm bolts. All right, we have all of our bolts out of our tail housing. We pulled the tail housing right off of that gang. Y'all see how easy that tail housing came off. Now let's count our teeth so we can get this part ordered. All right, guys, so that's what I have right here to help me to be able to keep count. And then you want to count each hump. That's what you want to count. So I'm gonna start right here. That's gonna be the last one I count. Can y'all see that mark? Well, y'all see the T count is way off. It's a lot right here. I missed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I counted 18 teeth on my drive gear, guys. 18 teeth. So I probably just wound up ordering the whole set with the 15 and the 39 2 gear and change this one over. So in the meantime, hope y'all enjoyed the video. That's how you do it. I'm gonna come back with another one, show y'all how to install it. But let's go ahead on and try to hook up. All right, YouTube, this here is TCI speedometer converter. And as you can see right now, I'm just typing in my tire size, the gear ratio. Now the drive tooth, you see 18 count, that's what we had. So I know that's a truck gear. I threw in 455 gears right here, and I boost the tire size up to a 30 or 38. You know, so it's showing you right there 43 driven tooth gear. Let's put the common size in, like what you guys will have. You know, 373. That's a 15 count with the guy on the forum mentioned. 28 tire. That's a pretty big tire. Most of y'all probably gonna run a 26. Stock tire might be 26. So let's check out the 26. You see it's not working with the 18 count giving gear. Now 16. Look, 16 tooth. drive, you might could do something, but 15. Okay, here y'all go right here. 15, we're gonna change it to 342s. Now let's bump our tire size down to you see it's 36 there. We're gonna put 26. This here gonna be the most common right here. You know, so 39, exactly what he said. You see what I'm saying? You see that? So you just gotta do your research. And the tire height that I'm going with between the rims and maybe a nice little meter on the back is 28, which I think that's the maximum size tires that can fit on the Monte Carlo. So this me right here, 28 tire height, 373 gear, and a 15.2, 40 count driven. Gotta get it, you hear me? Here go the parts right here. Y'all already know they on the way.